Hi guys. I'm going to do a couple of examples from 2.6 combinations, of functions. If you're watching this in Mrs. Paloma's class, it's your example 1. If you're watching it in my class, it's just some general examples that I said I'd do so that I could A, practice with my iPad, and B, put more videos up, because you know how I love to hear myself talk. Okay, so we are dealing with two functions. We got f of x equals x squared minus 1, and we've got g of x equals a 2x plus 5. We are taking, for our very first operation, is just going to be arithmetic, and it is literally just arithmetic. You guys tend to make these a little bit harder than they actually have to be. You're not solving for anything. You are not, when you're just doing function operations as far as arithmetic, adding, subtracting, then multiplying or dividing, you're not solving for anything. You're not going to get an x equals anything. You're not going to get, an x equals a 5. You're only going to combine like terms or simplify. So you don't have to worry about, oh, what am I going to get as far as for my answer for x to be something. So when I'm doing f plus g, all I'm going to do is take x squared minus 1. It is very weird writing on this iPad. I'm sorry. I'm used to making my videos at school with my smartboard. So we're trying new things, children. Branch out. So when I do this, and I'm also rocking this stylus that one of my students kind of lent me, or actually kind of gave to me. So shout out to you, Kyle, for this stylus. It's kind of nice. I actually like it. Although, to be fair, it has a pen side, and dummy me tried to use the pen side too. So that's not going to work. So f plus g. Let's actually get back to our problem. F plus g, x squared minus 1 plus 2x plus 5. All you can do now, once you've actually written it, and notice I wrote in red my f of x plus in blue my g of x, the only thing I can do now is chicken, lettuce, tomato this bad boy. And by chicken, lettuce, tomato, those of you who are not in my class, I mean combine like terms. CLT. Oops. Okay. And then the only thing that actually combines are our numbers. So when we write this, we're going to have x squared. Okay. I'm going to write plus 2x because you want to write it in standard form. And when you write minus 1 plus 5, minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. That is your answer. There is nothing else to do. That is your answer. Circle that bad boy. And when you go to do f minus g, it'll be much the same. I got to get back to my red though. So when I do this, it's going to be x squared minus 1, and then minus. Now here's where it gets tricky. You absolutely, positively want to put this stuff in parentheses. Okay, 2x plus 5. My g needs to go in parentheses because I will actually have to distribute this. I hate when it does that. Okay. I pick a new color and it doesn't automatically just let me write. I have to touch the screen again before it lets me write. Not that you care. I understand that. I'm fine with that. I will care enough for all of us. So when I do this, we'll go just to that color. When I do this, my x squared minus 1 is fine. But then when I actually am writing the rest of it, it's going to be a minus 2x minus 5. And I certainly hope that these colors that I'm choosing are, going to show up. But once we do that, then again, once we've distributed, simple, chicken, lettuce, tomato, x squared minus 2x minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Okay, and then that is done. All right, so that's all you have to do for that. Don't make it harder than it has to be. I will go and maybe I'll do the multiplication and division, and hopefully that'll help you out. I'll make a few more for you.